Maya stared at the red 47% circled at the top of her math test, her stomach twisting into knots. Around her, classmates chatted easily about the upcoming weekend, but all she could hear was the voice in her head saying she wasn't smart enough, would never be smart enough. This was her junior year. If she failed math, she wouldn't graduate. And if she didn't graduate, how could she help her mom? How could she prove that all those double shifts her mother worked went for nothing? Sophia leaned over. You okay? Maya quickly shoved the test into her backpack. Fine. But she wasn't fine. She'd been struggling with math since middle school, and every year it got worse. Equations looked like secret codes she'd never been given the key to unlock. She tried teaching herself from videos online, but she'd get lost within minutes. The worst part was watching everyone else nod along in class while she sat there completely confused, too embarrassed to raise her hand. That afternoon, Maya walked past Mr. Chen's classroom and saw him at his desk, grading papers. She'd heard he stayed late to help students, but she'd never gone. What if he thought she was stupid? What if he got frustrated with her? Her hand touched the door frame. She could just leave. Maya, Mr. Chen looked up with a gentle smile. Do you need something? The words stumbled out before she could stop them. I'm failing. I don't understand anything, and I've been too scared to ask for help because everyone else seems to get it, and I need help. Mr. Chen set down his pen. Come sit down. You've just done the hardest part, admitting you need help. Now let's work on the rest together. Over the next 2 months, Maya showed up to Mr. Chen's classroom every Tuesday and Thursday after school. He didn't make her feel dumb when she asked the same question 3 times. He broke down problems into smaller steps. He connected math to real things, splitting bills, calculating discounts, measuring ingredients. Slowly, something clicked. The numbers started making sense. Equations became puzzles she could actually solve. But then came the midterm practice test, and Maya scored a 52%. She wanted to give up. Maybe she just wasn't a math person. Look at this, Mr. Chen said, holding up her first test next to the practice exam. You've gained 5 points. And look here, you got the entire geometry section correct. You're not failing, Maya. You're learning. That takes time. Sophia had been telling her the same thing. You're literally doing something hard every week. That's brave. Maya kept going. She made flashcards. She walked through practice problems on the bus. She asked questions in class, her hand shaking the first time, but getting easier each time after that. The final exam landed on her desk on a warm May afternoon. Maya took a deep breath and began. 2 weeks later, Mr. Chen handed back the exams with a smile. Maya flipped hers over. 83%, a B-. She'd passed. More than passed. Her mother cried when Maya showed her. I'm so proud of you, Miha, not just for the grade, but for not giving up. Maya realized her mom was right. The grade mattered, but what mattered more was that she'd faced something terrifying and kept showing up anyway. She'd asked for help when she needed it. She'd proved to herself that struggle didn't mean failure, it meant growth. The moral: we all need help sometimes, and asking for it doesn't make us weak, it makes us wise. The challenges that seem impossible today can become our greatest victories tomorrow if we're willing to keep trying and accept support along the way.